When your customers are looking for durable brush weather seal products that are easy to install, easy to use, and easy to purchase, there's no question they need SEALEZE. Our problem-solving brush products are specifically designed with our core values of performance, durability, and simplicity in mind to make life easier for you and your customers. SEALEZE brush products can be used on entrance doors to reduce air and dirt infiltration as well as pest problems. If a door has no brush weather seal or the existing brush has deteriorated over time, problems can quickly multiply. SEALEZE's brush weather seal products are specifically designed to eliminate these problems and improve the overall function and efficiency of entrance doors. If you're seeing problem areas around an entrance door, it's time to consider SEALEZE brush weather seal. SEALEZE offers several different brush options for entrance doors. For entrance doors, SEALEZE offers header seals, jam seals, and door sweeps in a variety of sizes. Jam seals come in a kit that include 2 jam seals and 1 header seal. Start by removing any existing brush. Next, measuring the top and the bottom of the door, the length of the door on the sides, and the gaps. We are going to first start with the header seal. When you're installing, measure the top of the door again to make sure it matches your brush and holder length. If you need to cut the brush to length, you'll want to cut the brush using diagonal cutting pliers, shears, or bolt cutters. For the holder, you can use a hacksaw, angle iron shear, or any power saw with a metal cutting blade. The header seal will use a 40-degree holder. To mount, hold the aluminum flange to the door header and align the brush to the proper fit. You'll want to mount the brush so it is flexed slightly against the door. This will ensure a complete seal and compensate for any wind deflection. Next, secure the brush with the self-tapping screws provided. Once the header seal is in place, it's time to install the door jam seals. These can be used on automatic sliding doors, providing reliable seals without restricting the door closers. This incredibly durable brush has been third-party tested and showed limited wear even after 2 million cycles. It is long-lasting and cost-effective solution. For this application, we are installing jam seals to a man entry door. SEALEZE recommends using a 40-degree holder. Mount the brush so it is flexed slightly against the door. If you're working with a double door, SEALEZE's Astra Sweep seals can be particularly effective. Astra Sweep kits include 2 corner seals, 2 door sweeps, and 2 astragal seals. All the materials necessary to seal gaps up to 1 inch on the inside and the bottom of the double doors. Astragal seals should be mounted so that the brush touches in the center of the gap between the double doors. Next, we will install the door sweeps. Door sweeps are ideal for sealing any irregular surfaces at the threshold. These brush products are uniquely designed to conform to the surface without impairing the door's movement. Available in both clear and dark bronze finish, door sweeps come with aluminum holders that are pre-slotted for ease of installation. Before placing your order, measure the length and the gap of the bottom of the door to determine the right size door sweep. Make any adjustments by following the cutting instructions that we mentioned earlier. Once the brush and holder are cut to size, pry open the ends of the holder with a screwdriver. If not assembled, insert the brush into the holder and peen both ends with a hammer to hold the brush into place. Mount the sweep by holding the aluminum flange to the door bottom while aligning the brush to the proper fit. You'll want the brush to just touch the floor or the top of the threshold. Once you have your placement correct, secure the brush with the self-tapping screws provided. Slotted holes allow for easy final adjustment for the perfect fit. Once your brush weather seal is in place, it will provide an attractive and effective solution to gaps on any entrance door. SEALEZE's problem-solving products are designed to give your entrance door a complete seal that will last for many years to come. Not only is our brush easy to use, easy to install, and easy to purchase, it's guaranteed to solve problems. That's the SEALEZE way.